All right, remember I was talking about those aspen trees that we make curtain rod holders out of them. This is one in our door. Wife put up, and this one she just tacked a little nail in it to hold it against there, and kind of gives it a rustic look. So, and then also in the bedroom, these are a little bit thicker ones because it's a little bit bigger curtain or whatever. And then she just drills a hole through that and into another smaller piece, just like that. Drills a hole right through it, and then the screw goes right into the log that way. And that's how you keep them away from the window a little bit. So just another little piece of the tree. So yeah, and you just kind of, just shave it with a knife or whatever you got. Get all the bark off, and then let it dry for a day or so, whatever you like, and then just take a little bit of sandpaper and it makes it nice and smooth. So same as this one here. It's nice and smooth. Kind of rustic. Saved us some money on some curtain rods. Same thing there. So this piece here, she just drilled a hole right through the center. I think it was about, I can't remember the exact size, but more than 1/8 anyway. So the screw goes through easy. And yeah, just put whatever type of screw. I guess you could put a nail in there too. It doesn't really matter. The screw is easier to take out if you need to move it. And that one over there, same thing. And yeah, so I thought I'd just share that. Just you don't always have to buy man-made stuff. You can use nature stuff. So yeah, so I thought I'd share that with you. Oh, and also she does the forgot, in the kitchen, the tea towel holders. Same thing, quite a bit smaller, but definitely strong enough. Same thing, drill a hole through there, your screw through, and then you've got a tea towel holder. Oh, fresh bread today. Look at that, eh? Homemade. Yummy. And one up here, same thing. So, yeah, my wife's idea. She's a pretty smart girl. That's why I married her. Haha. Okay, I think the soup's ready. Lunchtime. And I forgot our paper towel holder. Same thing. It's kind of you just take it off here, then you can slide the paper towel out once you're empty. So this is kind of what it looks like. Whoop. Just make it a little bit longer than the actual frame. I just made this out of some rough 1x4s that I had. And yeah, just kind of an idea. Who needs doweling when you can just use trees, which is basically doweling. So yeah, this slips back into here, and then it just goes into there, just like that. Make them a bit longer so when it's spinning, it doesn't fall in or whatever, but you can make it as long as you want. So I could have went a little bit closer to here with the thing, but the wife says, no, it's perfect right there. Okay, good enough. So thought I'd share that as well.